Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Huawei MateBook 14, a laptop that promises to blend performance with style. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more tech reviews. Imagine a laptop that's sleek and powerful, designed for both work and play. That's the Huawei MateBook 14 for you. It boasts an impressive OLED touchscreen display that's not only gorgeous but also responsive. The MateBook 14 features a 14.2-inch OLED display with a 3:2 aspect ratio and a 120Hz refresh rate. This translates to sharp visuals and vibrant colors, perfect for content creators and multimedia enthusiasts alike. However, the design, while solid, feels uninspired compared to its more premium sibling, the MateBook X Pro. Under the hood, it's powered by the Intel Core Ultra 7 processor, paired with 32GB of DDR5 RAM and a 1TB SSD. This configuration ensures snappy performance whether you're multitasking, editing photos, or even light gaming. The absence of Thunderbolt 4 might be a downer for some, but overall, it handles day-to-day tasks with ease. One of the highlights is the keyboard. It offers a tactile typing experience that's a joy to use, reminiscent of higher-end models. The inclusion of a pen with the touchscreen adds versatility, making it ideal for creative professionals on the go. However, the touchpad could be more responsive and less spongy, an area where Huawei could improve. Battery life is decent, thanks to the 70 watt-hours battery, but intensive tasks will drain it faster due to the powerful components. Connectivity-wise, it offers Bluetooth 5 and Wi-Fi 6, ensuring you stay connected wherever you go. In conclusion, the Huawei MateBook 14 is a solid performer with a stunning OLED display and powerful internals. However, its design feels derivative compared to its more visually striking counterpart, the MateBook X Pro. If you're in the market for a reliable workhorse with excellent display quality and good performance, the MateBook 14 won't disappoint. That wraps up our review of the Huawei MateBook 14. What are your thoughts on this laptop? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you next time.